true. Unicorns and fairies too. They dance and play in skies so blue. Come along and join the...
Maybe.
Ate, mahugaw lagi ka ate.
Ako ay seeker. Come. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ready?
Hi sa tanan. Thank you kaayo sa pag-agi, sa pag-celebrate sa birthday ni Haya and Mavis. Enjoy.
What one heartwarming message. Thank you for your message, ma'am. And indeed, everyone will enjoy this party. All right, once again, everyone, hi! Hello! I need more energy. Hi! Hello! All right, good afternoon. Why are you here today? Nganong namo dili ron adlaw? Why you're here today? Come here. Aga ng kuya ng wearing of polo na naka-stripe. Come here at the front. Ikaw. Nasyak-syak kisa ka ng bitawag. Alright, come here. Ikaw naka-stripe. Ka ng stripe. Hello, good afternoon. What's your name?
Zachary Axeledon.
What's your name?
Zachary Axeledon.
Zach. Kuya Zach, right? How old are you, Zach?
11.
11. How are you, Zach? How are you today, Zach?
Good.
Good. Okay. Are you ready for my question?
Yes.
Okay. For my question is, what is the square root of 86? What is the square root of 86? I'm just kidding lang kayo. So my question is, why are you here today?
Because I wanted to celebrate and my parents wanted to come, so I decided to come.
Oy, dili mi close ani kay English. So whose birthday, kuya?
Haya. Mavis.
Can you sing happy birthday, Haya and Mavis?
Happy birthday, Haya and Mavis.
Alright, let's give them a round of applause, everyone. Congratulations. And you got a prize. It's for you. Kuya, you got a prize. Alright, congratulations. Alright, let's proceed to our next question, everyone. And for my next question, how old is our birthday celebrant? How old is Haya and Mavis? Kani. So, ikay mo answer sa age ni Haya. 6. Pilay edad ni Mavis. I need one kid to answer this question. Come here. Kanina ka yellow. Okay. Ako lang i-repeat akong answer ate, okay? Are you okay? Okay. My question is, how old is Haya?
6.
How old is Mavis?
1.
1. Sakto. Kasi sakto mo na yung answer, ate and kuya. I know for sure that you are really very smart and math. Am I right? Sakto ra. Ora siya diretso. Okay na kuya, sa'yo naman eh. Ikaw sa una ate. Since ang edad ni Haya is 6, 6 plus 4. 10. Well, lang wala siya naniniod to. May gana si ate. Dali, ang edad ni Mavis is 1 plus 5.
6.
Oy! Is it parent ani niya? Ito na si sir. Ay, wala pa kuya. Kasi nilingkod naman si ate, ikay mo representative niya. So, ikay ni muhuman, okay? 6 plus 4.
10.
10. 10 plus 6.
16.
16, Kisa may makita na dinasad ka ng buwan. O boss. Okay. Since ang last answer ni mo would be 16, if mag-answer ka ni, I will give you 5 prizes, okay? My last question is 16 plus 86 times 32 divided by 15 minus 19 to the power of 58. I will give you 5 prizes. Pilay answer. Just kidding lang, Kuya. Can you say happy birthday, Haya and Mavis?
Happy birthday, Haya and Mavis.
O, saan mo ni siya? Puro naman nabago pa ng mata. Alright, congratulations, Kuya. Napot ko si ate. Congratulations, and you got a prize. Alright, congratulations. Alright, at this time, everyone, let's proceed to our last question. And for my last question, I will give you 2 prizes, each name of our birthday celebrant, okay? And for my last question is, what is the complete name of our birthday celebrants? So first, unsay complete name ni Haya? Unsay complete name? Ay, dali, si Kuya, hakot award na ni siya. So ikaw mo answers kang Haya, Kuya, okay? Dito na ni? Dito na ni. Okay. O sabi complete name ni Haya, Kuya?
Ayasin.
Hayasin. Inoon po, Hayasin. Okay, ate. Ikaw po ang musulti sa complete name ni Mavis, okay? Are you ready? What is the complete name of Mavis? What's the complete name ni Ate Mavis? I need one, another hand. I need another hand. Ani. Ikaw kang Mavis, ikaw kang Haya, okay? Okay, come here. Dapat di na pud ka mo, Doko. Stand straight ka. Okay. Unsay complete name ni Mavis?
Hailey Mavis.
Hailey Mavis?
Tirigusa.
Iligoso? Sakto to, ma'am? Sakto to? Ikaw to, pa-briefing sa. Unsay complete ni Haya? Unsay complete name ni Mavis? O, ito patudlo balik. Dapat ma-answer dyan. Kani, unsay complete name ni...
Haya Maisy Ragusta.
Balik.
Haya Maisy Ragusta.
Unsay complete ni Mavis?
Hailey Mavis Ragusta.
Darade ang complete. Okay, can you say happy birthday, Haya, together with her complete name?
Happy birthday, Haya. Haya Mavis Ragusta.
Basta? Okay, how about you? Can you say happy birthday, Mavis, together with her complete name?
Haya.
Wala na, basta una na dito makasago. Ay, just kidding lang tayo. Don't you worry, it's okay. Congratulations, and you got a prize. Alright, congratulations. Congratulations to you, ate. Alright, congratulations. Alright, everyone, let's proceed to our next game. And for my request, all the kids to please stand up and gather up here at the front, everyone, and let's proceed to our next game. Habang na sila ate at kuya bilang na nasa luyo, kanang si ate naka-maroon, violet, and kaning naka-polo. Silang ate at kuya. Habang tinigod si kuya nakakuan, kaning ay brown din sa pino. Ay kanang to hug ni ate kuya naka-Minecraft ng shirt. Okay, tapos na singing group yourself into 4! Into 4! Ali, anak, ako sila kinakailangan kinabuhi ko. Anak. Or, group yourself into 1! That's how the game works, kids, okay? Okay. So let's have our final round now, okay? Let's have our final round. Hands at your head. Shoulders, knees, toes, head, shoulders, knees, toes, head, shoulders, knees, toes. Sit down, stand up, sit down, stand up, turn around, turn around, turn around. Double this thinking, group yourself into 1. Wait for one time. Double this thinking, group yourself into 5. Into 5, dali! Into 5! Kaya pinag-winning na yan ang niyong sa mga bata mo. Kahit lang 5. 5, focus pa diri. Ano ka kuya? Kaya lino na si kuya. Anak, 5. 5, focus pa. 4, focus pa diri. Ay, bata. 5. Ate, ikaw na may na-outing. Eh, bisa mo ay mag-classic ka mo. Okay? Dati, I will give you a prize na lang. Alright? Congratulations! And you got a prize. Alright, congratulations! Alright, group yourself into 1. Now hands at your head. shoulders, knees, toes, head, shoulders, knees, toes, head, shoulders, knees, toes. Sit down, stand up, sit down, stand up. Alright, now touch your eyes. Where's your eyes? Touch your nose, your mouth, your ears. Touch your heart. Where's your heart? Okay, now touch your Uranus, Fallopian tube, esophagus. Oh, break up lang yung ating follow ha. Now sit down. Stand up. Turn around, turn around, turn around. The boat is sinking. Group yourself into one. The one side, okay? The boat is sinking. Group yourself into four. Into four. Kala, four. Four. Ay, dito yan. Correct, correct. So, kamu tulo ang again. I'm so sorry but you're out of the name. Thank you for joining. Bakit sisipa nga pag pwede ka sa? Alright, now turn around, turn around, turn around. Turn around. The boat is sinking. Group yourself into one. So you have to hug yourself first, okay? Okay. The boat is sinking. Group yourself into two. Into two. Come on. Two, two, two. Two, tira. Wala pa siya. Tira. Asya na to si baby. Oh, you get 3 prizes, okay? Everyone, this game is called Chicken Hot Dog. I'll finish our game, everyone. Finish our game, we had that parade. It's not that parade, I want this chicken, hot dog. Okay? Chicken, hot dog. And of course, mag-mention ka sa first word, which is chicken. And of course, gusto yung una madulan sa mic, hindi mo mention kung nasa chicken, followed by hot and so on. So dapat masasabi siya ng answer. And of course, yung production ang chicken, hot dog. So chicken, hot dog, okay? So let's have our trial or final na natin so? Final na natin so. Final na lang. Alright, let's have our final round in 3, 2, 1. No, I'm not sure, sir. Alright, I'm so sorry, sir, but you're out of the game. Thank you for joining. Let's have our next round in 3, 2, 1. Alright, I'm so sorry, sir, but you're out of the game. Alright, kapres sa pagkamay na. Okay po, sir. Ako na kabla. Okay po, sakto mo magdo. Give chance na to. Hoy, wala ka na ikiman doon. Alright, let's have our next round in 3, 2, 1. Sige ba? Sayo-sayo rin naman. Okay, doon ka na mag-twist naman. 3, 2, 1. Oh, that's it, ma'am. Can you point shape ma'am? I'm so sorry, but you're out of the game, and you have a token of participation, ma'am. Still, congratulations. And as I promised, the 3 of you will be our winners. Let's give them a round of applause, everyone. Congratulations, ma'am. And you got a prize. Congratulations. It's for you, ma'am. Congratulations, and it's for you, ma'am. Congratulations. Say hello to winners. Hi, winners. Welcome to Ryan Harris birthday party. Welcome to Ryan Harris birthday party. Alright, and of course, pasis na naman dyan ni si Gomez, everyone. Kung para siya makita niyo talent, which is dancing. Okay? And at this time, let's have our music, okay? Okay, so guys, are you ready? Okay, ready? Happy birthday birthday to you. Alright, let's do it again, everyone. In 3, 2, 1. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Alright, so before we blow si Haya and Mami sa candle, mga isa top birthday wishes ni Ma'am and Sir for their daughters. Si Daddy na po.
Blow na. Wish. Happy birthday, blow. Oh, salamat sa nangabot. Blow na sa. Sige na. Together.
Alright, Haya and Mami, anytime that you are ready, you may now blow your candle. Alright, happy birthday, Haya and Mamis. Everyone, can we all shout a happy birthday to Haya? And happy birthday, Haya. One of consolation prize. Ay, natin! Come here! Very consolation prize. And of course, itong mga kiss sa Tagalog, giveaway. If you want balloon, you can get here. Sa tubangan.
Happy birthday! Ayaw mo ba?
Di siya nakauban sa kanang cheesy. Invitation ko siya. And then do it ako.
Haya Mavis.
Ito sa Haya ang Mavis. Okay, ito complete na to. Kali. Ako sa complete name sa duha. Special mo ko. Sabi birthday Haya and Mavis.
Happy Haya Mavis.
Ano mo ganun ko? Ano yung nagagawin? Sabi birthday Haya and Mavis.
Happy Haya Mavis.
Happy birthday Haya and Mavis. Pero sino ko mag-post? Thank you!
Thank you.
In a land where dreams come true, unicorns and fairies too. They dance and play in skies so blue. Come along and join the crew. Unicorns and fairies, oh so